All right, we're here at Clementon Park on Memorial Day. We love this park. And here we want to do a quick little spotlight of the Carousel Gift Shop here. It's right in the heart of everything. Right over there is the Dragon Coaster, and right over there is their Carousel. And of course, the store is named after Carousel. So we're going to do a quick little walkthrough because last year they definitely changed a lot. When we were here last year, there's racks everywhere, and all those are gone now. But here they actually have all the surf kind of footwear. They got goggles. They've got water bottles, stuff like that. But if you look over here, this is all different here. So this used to all be racks of t-shirts, and now it is so many different kinds of animals. So these are called Wild Republic stuffed animals here. Looking for the sloth. I actually don't see a sloth, but they do have a hippo, and the hippo is a win because if you watch our channel, you know I am pro hippo. But yeah, they actually don't have a sloth. They do have a hammerhead though. Hammerhead sharks are pretty good. So, but that is the Wild Republic. Over here they have Aurora, which are Pom Pals. So these are cute, adorable too. But this was all not here last year. So this is a whole new section here. They even got the things that you claws open up their mouths and stuff. And then the other thing they added here too is not just the hats, but you come over here, you actually got pretty much a candy store. They got traditional stuff like a bit of honey, and they got Krabby Patties and stuff like that, Oscar Mayer. But this is all brand new from last year. They did not have this whole candy section here. So I like it when the park tries to do some different stuff. Here's Icy Squeeze candy. I've never seen that before. And over here is a lot more different stuff here. You got the ramen and Dragon Ball Z and all that. And then over here's some more kids' toys and stuff like that for people to enjoy. You got a rubber chicken. So not every day you see a rubber chicken. But this is all brand new. This whole area here used to be t-shirts and merchandise, and now it is actually different. But don't fear though, because if you come over here, they actually do have the Clementon Park stuff. So you come over here quick. This is all brand new merchandise here. They have some new designs. Some are the same. This one, I'm totally awesome. Jawsome is the same as last year, and same thing with Fantastic. So the kids stuff all seems to be the same. But if you come over here to the end cap here, these are new design shirts for Clementon. And then over here they got the lifeguard gear because the water park is their big selling point here. They got the new bags. So those are different bags. Here are some new kids apparel and stuff like that. And they have some general swimsuits too. But the newest stuff that I saw was right about here. I remember the yellow shirt from last year, which I almost bought that one, but I ended up going a different direction. But these sweatshirts are completely different. These are totally new. They've got Clementon Park and Splash World. The green one actually has the longitude and latitude. And the right here, I always like it, kind of like how Knoebels does. They have them up high, and then you can find your size down below. And then last but not least, they've got a lot of beach towels here. They've always had those. We actually gave away that Clementon Splash World one there with the IB Parks logo, Indiana Beach Parks. This is one of the three of their parks. They have Indiana Beach, they have Clementon Park, and they also have Niagara, which we go to 2 or 3 times a year. And then last but not least, they still have all the glassware they had before. Different shot glasses. We actually do give away that shot glass. We actually do have those tins too that we also are giving away. The one thing I noticed that was different is right there they actually have a specific ride. Now, I would put money on it being Hellcat or King Neptune's Revenge, but they actually have stuff for Ring of Fire, which is a Larson loop. So that's a bold choice. Not a choice I'd go with, but give them credit with that. So, but this is the store. This is the only store here at Clementon Park. And they are open pretty much when the park's open, the store's open. So make sure you stop by, especially if you like candy, stuffed animals, and beach towels. So thanks for watching.